library.
Go to okay.
Thank you,
15
Coop.
minutes. Well, we have to call.
Wait on that or what?
No, you have to go home. You can go to the calm down room. Still haven't.
Alright, well, I'm gonna handcuff him. Stand up for me, bud.
Stand up. Until you calm down.
Oh, no.
This is where we're at.
I think we can do that.
He can do that because he's on the road. Just calm you down for a second.
Chill. Stop it.
Relax.
Stop it. Sit up.
Am I allowed to?
Chill.
Just relax and look at
You need to chill.
throwing stuff. We can take the handcuffs.
I'm not gonna do that.
What you're doing is dangerous. You're hitting staff. You're hitting me. You're throwing things. You're putting everyone in this room in. You need to hear it. It's okay. I get that a lot. That's gonna be really uncomfortable.
Stop trying to stand up.
If you relax, we can take the cuffs off. But you can't throw things and hit us.
Stop trying to stand up.
No. Okay? There you go. Thanks, bud.